Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to customize your own YouTube channel from the scratch with your phone. For these, we're going to be using our Google Chrome on our phone. So just go to your Chrome browser, type in YouTube Studio desktop site. It's going to bring it in form of the laptop or the desktop version. So once you type in that, open a new tab. So once you open the new tab, this is what it's going to look like. Then you want to zoom in because it will be very tiny. Then you go to this path, the left hand side of the phone. You'd see a magic wand looking kind of thing. You click that. That's the YouTube customization. So once it loads up, you see where to put in your YouTube banner, your YouTube profile picture, your name, and all of that. So we're just going to be inserting all of those things started from the YouTube banner. So you go to your camera and upload the image or your banner you already designed on Canva. As you can see, this one is not perfectly fitting. I have some of my details like the subscribe and part of the writing or the name out. So I just went back to Canva to design it to fit in very well. If you want a detailed video of how to make a YouTube banner, I have it on my channel. You might want to go back to watch that. So once you insert your banner and it fits properly, you click done and it's going to upload. So the next thing we want to do is to upload the profile picture. So for this, you can either choose your personal picture or whatever your channel is about. For this, she wanted a machine, which signify that it's a fashion channel. Okay, so I went ahead to upload that. So next we go to the name of the channel. So you choose a name you want to for your channel. Then you go ahead to put in that. So I'm just going to type in the name of this channel, which is Tailor Made Tips. Please, if you're watching so far and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Okay, I have a lot of interesting videos coming up and I have uploaded already, so do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Anyway, so after putting in your name of channel, you want to put it and do what they should know you are. So it could be your name or just like a nickname you want. All right, so you put in that, and after you want to check for the the correct mark, or what did they call it? Yeah, so to be sure that what you chose is right. Then now we go to description. So for this description, we're describing what our channel is about. You want to be very detailed. The first 2 lines of your description should give intense explanation of what your channel is all about. So you want to be very intense and professional with this. Once you're done with that, you go into links. Here you add in your Instagram link, your TikTok link, LinkedIn link, whatever link you want to be add to your channel. This link is essential so your subscribers can connect with you with other of your social media platforms. So whatever one you want to add, you just do that. And once we're done with that, we want to put in our watermark. So for this watermark, you can either use your picture or a YouTube logo. So to get the YouTube logo, just go on Canva, type in YouTube logo, and you get the YouTube logo. But if you want to use your picture, just put in your picture. And you can either choose when you want your watermark to show, whether at the beginning of the video or at the ending of the video. So once you're done with that, you cross-check your work. You want to go over everything from your banner to your picture to your name, your description, everything, just to make sure that everything is perfect and okay. Then once you're done with your cross-checking, you click on publish. Then you just hold on for some time for it to load and enter everything you've done basically. So once you're done, once it loads up and it's done with its process, your channel would be created. And voila, this is your channel already created with everything you want. And if you have any adjustment you want to do, you can still go back to the way we started and you make your adjustment again. But anyway, this is all for the video. Please, if you like this video, do well to like, comment, and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.